Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I am super excited to unbox my second Grove collaborative box with you. I'm gonna link up my first box so that you can go take a peek at it. If you stay tuned to the very end of this video, I'm gonna compare Grove's prices to Amazon's prices to see which is a better deal. So stay to the end. And if you're just wanting to see what's inside a Grove box, here we go, we're gonna pull it open. Grove is a organic, clean living company. You can be a part of their subscription or you can just order from their website. The customer service is outstanding and the website's super easy to use. I did join, I think it was like 20 bucks for a year, and it gives me free shipping, special offers, and I love it. I have kids in my house, and so we go through a whole lot of wipes cleaning around here. So the bulk of my order this time was fulfilling this part of my grocery list, getting more wipes. So I paid for these and we were out of hand soap, so I ordered a fresh hand soap. This was my order. What I got from them as a thank you for ordering is Mrs. Meyer's hand soap, which we already use, Mrs. Meyer's room freshener, which is, I'm excited to substitute my Febreze for that, Grove hand sanitizer, which we already use, and a Mrs. Meyer's lavender candle, which is a 35-hour burn time. So I bought this and got this for free. This is where the comparison up against Amazon and their pricing becomes key. You can compare your local grocery store as well. This just seemed like the best way for me to communicate in general pricing to you all. So had I purchased all of these items on Amazon, I would have saved $7.18 total. But by purchasing it through Grove, I paid $7.18 more, but I got $22 worth of free product. And that's not Grove pricing, that's Amazon's pricing. $22 worth of free Amazon stuff would have been about $26 on Grove pricing. So for me, it just made so much more sense to order my regular order and get all very applicable life stuff delivered to me for free. And who doesn't love getting free stuff? It's so exciting. And they don't do sample stuff. They send full-size items. What's even cooler is I have an awesome welcome gift that I can give to you. It was the welcome gift that was given to me when I signed up. You can see it in my first video. So if you use the link below, maybe one of the cards will pop up in the corner, and click there to sign up, you get this killer, I think it's like a 5-piece set that I cannot recommend any higher. And then you can do some shopping. You can have it delivered every single month, or like me, just place orders when you need things. Seems a little easier. And Grove's customer service is outstanding. I have text message questions, emailed questions, and of course got on the website and had customer service there. So there you have it. Amazon might be slightly cheaper, but Grove has way more perks, and the customer service alone is unbeatable. All right, we had the stomach bug in the house yesterday, so I'm off to run around with one of these guys and disinfect my entire house. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Please subscribe to our videos and give it a like if you are hanging around so that I know you're enjoying the content and I can bring more your way. Have a fabulous day. We'll see you later, y'all. Bye.